guys, we are finally shooting a podcast episode like we always wanted to. So this is Ash and Tonic. I am Anjali
I'm Twinkle.
and we are Ash and Tonic.
Hello!
So today we are going to talk about
Consumerism. Okay, so Anjali, tell me what is consumerism?
anything that increases consumption of things, like it makes you want to buy more things,
Acha.
use more things and consume basically.
Okay,
That's consumerism.
thank you. I didn't know this. Like, I know buying stuff, but I don't know it's called consumerism.
So basically consumerism matlab it's not just about like things that you need, it's just like they'll show you a thing and they'll
Create
prove it
a
to you.
need,
They'll
create-
prove it to you
why
that you
do you
need
need this?
Yeah, even if you don't.
Okay.
And then you will also believe that you need it and then you will want it and then you will buy it.
Interesting. What have you bought because of this sudden need that was created in your head?
So previously I used to buy a lot of things that I used to watch like ads of or like any influencer is like promoting, and I used to feel like buying everything. And when things have nice packaging and
Oh,
nice
yeah.
pretty colors also, I feel like having like owning those things. So owning things is a different thing and using
Actually,
things is
yeah.
a different thing. So I don't do any of the using part.
Seriously?
I'm like a collector. I just want to collect all pretty looking things.
But I end up using those also. But yeah, I do end up buying a lot of things because of packaging.
Exactly.
Very fancy packaging. And nowadays, so they have started selling, packing those stickers also.
Yes.
You know, lately I was just telling you 2-3 products I bought and everyone had those stickers. Like all the products. I didn't use any of those stickers yet, but I'm so happy I have stickers now.
So you are a collector of stickers.
Stickers,
basically.
yeah, apparently.
So when I was younger, I used to go to like stationery shops and buy stickers and stuff. That is my only
Acha.
memory of stickers. But when I was like
Stickers.
a kid, I used
Okay.
to enjoy I feel when you get these stickers, you're going back to childhood where you feel ki you
Oh.
feel like wow, मुझे stickers मिल रहे हैं, like it's taking you back.
ऐसे नहीं सोचा था मैंने कभी. Nice.
Yeah.
Very good insight, bro. I swear I didn't think of it
That's
like
what
this.
I think.
It just makes me very excited. Yeah, because it takes me back to when I was a child, and maybe that time I didn't use stickers as much, but now something as small as that, which doesn't make me feel like an adult, makes me so excited. Ki I have stickers. Ah, nice.
And they are bringing everything back. Like these things are things which we used to have in our 2000s and all. As kids, we used to have, and we at that time were like, "ठीक है, hey, whatever." But now this Gen Z sees these things and they feel like they are the first people ever to use like
Correct.
stickers and charms and
What are charms?
वही is your phone पे वो लटकाते
अच्छा, okay.
हैं and
Even
all.
watches वाले
Yeah,
charm,
watches,
okay.
like everything they are bringing back only. But they feel कि wow, ये हमने first time ऐसा invent किया. So
Even I felt this way. I never thought of it like bringing back something.
yeah, it's all like it was there before.
But I never associated, giving a sticker, okay, they are bringing back something. I just think they are bringing something new as a marketing strategy, because nobody, like Lux ka soap buy kiya, so I would never get a sticker.
Yeah.
But now if I'm buying some shampoo I bought, even one product, so earlier I had bought 3-4 things together, that is why I thought ki sticker aaya. But now just one product of that same brand I bought and still sticker aaya. And I'm like, wow, I think this is a first of a kind thing. I didn't think they are bringing back old
yeah.
stuff.
So it's like
Nice.
they are using this as a new strategy, but like the concept is not new of like the concept of stickers. But when are you using them? Is the question.
Soon. I have gotten stickers from a coffee brand. From this, what is this? Hollyland ke mics. From a shampoo brand. From a credit card. Just imagine.
So you can put the stickers on your credit card now.
Yeah.
Decorate your credit card.
Huh. You can use those stickers anywhere, no?
Yeah.
At the back of your phone cover.
Phone
How cool
or
is that?
laptop.
Love it. This is
Yeah.
what consumerism is, selling stickers.
But they are giving it to you for free, na?
Ha.
But they are selling you the other products.
Yeah. Good marketing strategy. I love it. Nice. Makes me want to buy that product again and again for the stickers, even though I'm not using it. Makes me very happy. Also, those cards that they handwrite.
Yeah.
So recently, I bought a loofah kind of a thing from Amazon. But still, they wrote that small card and it was handwritten because I could see कि handwritten ऐसा नहीं कि handwriting वाले font से किया है.
yeah.
And it was. If you like a product, please do give a
Yeah.
review. Although I haven't given a review yet, but
Yeah.
it made me feel, oh,
Yeah, so that is like a personalized kind of message. So
Yeah.
it makes you feel कि अच्छा they care about you.
हाँ.
सब one-on-one interact कर रहे हैं.
I also got a coffee which had that handwritten. The coffee wasn't that great, but I was like, oh, I like this coffee now.
But the handwriting was great.
Right.
Yeah, I've got Swiggy and Zomato and also as a food places I've got as a handwritten
अच्छा.
notes from like very basic places like May's Kitchen and
That is not
Subway
a
and
basic
stuff.
place, and I haven't gotten a handwritten card from May's Kitchen, bro.
Why so I'm like इसको क्या जरूरत है मुझे handwritten
हाँ.
भेजने की, ये तो already अच्छा चल
हाँ,
रहा है इसका
seriously.
business तो. So maybe they
Something
really
to
like
think
me.
about. Barabar. Nice.
But so do you equate consumerism with shopping or just consuming?
I think shopping incessantly, even when you don't need it, you keep on buying things. So I feel that is consumerism. नहीं तो उसके पहले तो चीज़ें buy कर ही रहे थे ना.
हाँ.
Now they are creating a need for every single thing. Like I don't even need that. I have skin products of 5 different brands. I don't even need those because my skin is so sensitive. मुझे basic जो medical store में मिल जाता है, that suits me the best. But still I'm buying
That
every
doesn't
product.
have a pastel pink package.
Yeah, exactly.
So,
Yeah,
so are you shopping incessantly?
I am. You do know about my latest buy, which I got influenced to buy.
But that is okay because that is one product which
And
is
that
like
is an investment,
yeah, it's
hello.
a good quality and
Yeah.
very expensive product. तो इसके
We'll
बाद
not
you're not buying anything
No.
after this. So what I end up doing now is because I know that I like shopping and like buying things. I buy small things and like you know सस्ती चीजें so that I can keep on buying things.
Okay.
So that is
But then
consumerism.
those छोटी चीजें don't last. Like this is what my mindset is. Again, they have tricked us
Yeah.
into believing this.
Yeah.
कि महंगा है क्योंकि अच्छा है.
हाँ.
So सस्ता है तो नहीं
Yeah.
अच्छा शायद.
So I feel somewhere in the middle range is like a good range. Like if something is very cheap, so obviously then you can't expect it to be
Yeah.
good. And something that is very expensive, उसको जो वो claim कर रहा है,
हाँ,
it's
then
very
they
difficult for it to deliver. Like it may be good, but then इतना outstanding. जैसे like
Dyson के.
yeah, like Dyson products,
Airwraps.
like iPhone and like Apple products. Like I don't know, we end up buying like I am an Apple baby. I love Apple products, but like if someone tells me कि अच्छा हाँ but दूसरे brands में भी similar features या even better features
Yeah.
मिल रहे हैं ना lesser price, still I'm like no.
No.
So
I
that
want only
is yeah, but
Apple.
I don't have any justification for it. It's just कि हाँ
Right.
बस मुझे बस यही चाहिए. So I don't know, like after a point I don't know if that price is justified. It's just a thing कि हाँ like मुझे तो यही चाहिए.
They are also creating this community wherein you yourself consider yourself to be in a little higher position
Yeah.
vis-a-vis other people.
Yeah.
You feel ke because you have an iPhone, in other news
You are better
everyone
than
has
other
an iPhone.
people.
Yeah, हाँ, in your head. Yeah, but it makes you feel a little bit better than the
Yeah, it
normal
makes you
crowd.
feel like it sets you apart a little
Yeah.
bit. Like and like people also use very expensive phones from other brands, but फिर भी वो ऐसे
हाँ.
elite नहीं feel होता है.
जैसे Vivo, we should not take
Don't
names.
take names of
Sorry.
brands.
जैसे Beep.
जैसे Vivo.
This was funny. जैसे कि some brand which has a very good phone which is very expensive. even more expensive than iPhone का product. But whenever I hear that brand, I'm like, हाँ, इसके लिए तूने खर्चा किया, might as well buy an iPhone. Yeah, because in my head it caters to masses and not classes. iPhone classes भी नहीं होता, वो class ही होता है, right? Yeah. So, but I think now iPhone caters to masses as well.
Yeah.
So whatever.
And
कोई
of
नया
course, if you
brand
go
लाना
to
चाहिए.
US and stuff, तो वहाँ के तो taxi drivers के पास भी iPhone ही होता है.
But they are in the US, okay.
Yeah, but yeah, still I feel like it's like kind of a personal choice, but it's also like as you said कि वो class kind of, you know, वो
Yeah.
brand अपना ऐसा community बनाता है where you want to belong to that community, so they are making that also like a need and pulling you in by
Right.
doing that also.
True. It's a need of an hour to look better than the other people by owning an iPhone. True.
But what do you feel about the latest iPhone?
I feel it's gorgeous.
But
I
what
want
about
to
the-
buy it. I am not sure about the utility.
What do you like, that 17 Pro and Pro Max also?
Yeah, I love it because of the orange color.
But
I
the
love.
cameras look ugly.
No. I love it. I think that is what marketing does to you.
Yeah.
इतना promote कर लो, even so again we are not talking about iPhone 17 specifically, but generally
Yeah.
I would like to say they are promoting in such a way कि even if it's the shittiest product, but if you see hundreds of influencers promoting it,
Yeah.
because if अगर मैं सिर्फ orange phone buy करने जाऊँ, like I have this lavender color but I wanted to buy yellow originally, okay, but then people were like, you will not want to see it every day because iPhone is an investment, 5-6 साल तो यूज़ करना ही है, तो you ensure कि you are not bored of that yellow color. But now people are dying to buy orange color because it is promoted in such a way कि orange color है bro,
Yeah.
orange is the new black and stuff. That is why मुझे भी FOMO हो रहा है कि I should have also bought that yellow color. But ठीक है.
Yeah.
They are making,
They are
creating.
yeah, they're creating, and the thing is that you keep seeing it everywhere.
Yeah.
तो जितने time तुम देखते हो, it's like जितने बार तुम देखते हो, then after a point, even if you don't like it, it's just familiar.
Yeah.
So then when you see it again, you feel like, हाँ, this is something that I want because you've seen it so many times.
True.
So, but
They're selling it only in such a way कि I'm buying because it's orange.
yeah, जबकि orange is ugly.
It's not ugly, it's just different.
And like now, men are also buying orange
Orange.
iPhone suddenly.
What is this ये sexist remark, Anjali? Men can buy orange phones.
But I've never seen them like orange as a color
हाँ, ठीक
ever.
है. That is what marketing does to you.
Yeah.
You end up buying stuff which you would have never thought कि you would end up buying.
Yeah.
Good marketing, I must say.
Thanks, huh? Apple is happy कि you approve of their marketing strategy. Okay, so we've spoken about shopping.
Okay.
Coming to social media. So do you end up like shopping on Instagram or like do you click on ads that come on Instagram and stuff?
Shockingly, whatever I discuss with any of my friends, and just when, like, of course I have my phone at all times.
Yeah.
So even when I'm talking about something, the phone will listen.
Yeah, and then
I'll-
you get that ad.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So it's like, इसको कैसे पता चला? इतनी अच्छी telepathy कैसे है मेरी phone के साथ?
Your
And-
phone is always listening.
Yeah, because the phone knows now कि this is what I need. So there are more chances of me buying or clicking on that ad. But otherwise, when some influencers I know who are getting paid to promote these products, everyone is getting paid. But then if I find some influencer to not be authentic and they are promoting every other product, then I would not trust what they are selling to me. Otherwise, if someone is telling me, like one influencer, I like her, Larissa, we can take her name.
Yeah, it's not like she's seeing this.
Yeah, so when she promotes something and she's like, I've personally used it and with a hashtag not sponsored, and eventually maybe they will get that brand deal, but when they are putting that hashtag not sponsored, it makes me want to trust their judgment more than people who are putting that hashtag ad. So I'll not, because they're promoting every other brand. Then
So
yeah,
I feel
not
even if
trust.
they are putting hashtag ad, it's okay, but then it shouldn't be every single brand. It should be like selected
Huh.
things, which then you understand that this person actually likes this thing. If they are putting like if they are putting shampoos of 5 brands,
हाँ,
you know they are not using all 5. तो फिर कैसे डाल सकते हैं एक साथ?
पांचों दिन पे 5 अलग अलग ब्रांड, कितना खर्चा करूं मैं?
Yeah, so then it's obvious. But if they are putting like one thing, and then even if it's an ad, it's okay. Maybe they've tried and tested it and everything. But the thing is, वो तो उनका काम ही है. Influencers का काम ही है
Influence करना.
influence करना and like marketing and advertising and everything. I like what I'm asking is, do you fall for it and like how frequently?
Not that frequently, but yeah, I do fall for it sometimes. Yes, because sometimes they are selling it so well कि I want to experience it myself. Till the time it is not harming me in a negative way, after one use I'll get to know okay if it's good or bad for me, if it's suiting me or no. Like I bought one hair fall. It was see, this is what it did to me. I bought one shampoo which says कि no hair fall or minimum hair fall something. Basically that is what they were selling कि hair fall कम हो जाएगा, which is why I bought it and it didn't suit me and और ज़्यादा हो गया and I'm like oh god. Then I bought some other shampoo which didn't promote hair fall, मतलब रोकेंगे या जो कुछ भी. It just gave me like 5 points which suits my hair. Okay, this for curly hair, this will give it more moisture, ye. So you buy, and then I bought that, and hair fall to come hua hi, but then the texture of my hair and everything also improved.
Oh,
So then
nice.
I would trust that product more instead of, and then I wouldn't even trust that influencer now who promoted this. ये बात अलग है कि not every product will suit everyone.
Yeah.
But yeah, it didn't suit me. So I will not trust that influencer, I'll not trust that brand, and I'll not trust anything which is being sold by that brand or that person.
Yeah. Even I do this. So once, very long back, even before all these influencers and all came into picture and all.
Okay.
Like when I was very young, there was this one brand, and I bought like it's a very well-known brand and everything. I bought
Which is?
some face wash or something,
Okay.
and like my skin reacted. तो उसके बाद ना मैं वो brand का कुछ भी नहीं खरीदती हूँ. I've like in my head it's like that entire brand which may not be true, but like it's too much of a risk. Like why should I take that risk of like spending my money, then putting my skin or my hair through that, and then
Correct.
इतना सारा damage. So
I
now
would
can't
rather be
trust
in a
it.
relationship.
This is more important.
बराबर है. And when every other influencer promotes the same brand का same product, I remember after COVID like 2020 2021 में everyone was promoting Garnier का serum, vitamin C serum.
Yeah, the yellow one.
Everyone. And then there are like honest reviews on YouTube
Yeah.
कि ये मत buy करो because कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा.
And it's like, you know, these people are not using that serum because they have been using 10,000 other brands, and they've been buying things from like
Fancy
UK
outlets.
and US and everything, and we all know their actual unsponsored skincare routine.
Correct.
तो फिर जब वो जाके ऐसे suddenly बोलते कि नहीं हम तो Garnier ही use करते हैं, we know you're
Same.
not using. Like it's like people like buying all different brands of makeup, and then suddenly one day they come and they are like नहीं मैं तो Maybelline ही use करती हूँ या फिर मैं तो Lakme ही use करती हूँ. We know you're not using it.
And sometimes those good brands, they don't even need
They don't
as
need,
much
yeah, of
marketing,
course.
They don't need to pay to influencers to promote their brands because
Yeah.
they know okay एक बार you scan once the honest review
Yeah.
come out, they'll any which way sell.
Yeah.
So I would trust that.
But see,
brand
these are all
more.
products which are like either skincare, makeup. It's all directed towards women. If you see, I don't see any guys like selling like anything that is related to appearance.
I
so
think
why is it so targeted towards women? What do you think?
There are some products, of course, not on a larger scale as we find in the women category.
Yeah.
Because women are known to take care of themselves and spend time, money, effort in looking a certain way. Men would not spend as much time and effort. Maybe they can spend some money, but yeah, they would not care as much. Like I know so many men who don't use sunscreen. तो मतलब सन तो सिर्फ women को ही affect कर रहा है. Men are like anti UV rays. Their skin is, you know,
because they are
protected
suns na,
naturally.
so they are protected from the sun.
Very lame. You can do better, Anjali. Very lame.
But yeah,
Yeah.
so basically like all these men, like the fact that they can get away without caring is because they are not getting affected. We care so much because we have been taught to care about like
Yeah.
everything, and like we are expected to keep doing these things, and like all these products and brands and everything always plays on our insecurities, if you notice. So if
True.
if they are trying to sell something to a guy, तो वो ऐसे मार्केट करेंगे कि ये तुम ये खरीद लो तो तुमको
तो लड़की
ये लड़की हाँ
Yeah.
पट जाएगी. But if you are trying to like sell
Like Axe
things,
Dio.
yeah, I still remember like दो अपना growing up years में like they spray that and सारी लड़कियाँ ऐसे ऐसे ऐसे
चिपक
magnet
की
के
तरह. Seriously.
and like if it's for a girl, it's like you do this and then you will become more attractive and all, like you know,
Yeah.
it's all about like your self worth, your entire confidence, existence,
Yeah,
everything.
dependent on
Yeah.
using this product.
Like I still remember there used to be this ad कि एक लड़की like you know थोड़ी dark है and वो फेयरनेस प्रोडक्ट लगाती है और फिर उसको जॉब मिल जाता है.
अच्छा, जॉब के लिए भी लगानी है फेयर एंड
पढ़ाई वढ़ाई मत करो, डिग्री मत लो, पर तुम
फेयरनेस क्रीम लगाओ.
yeah, like what logic is that? So and then we keep falling for all this also.
Good looking people sell. मतलब anything.
So what I
works
feel
for
now
them.
is that when you see like a good looking actor or actress or even like on some like you know online shopping place, you see like a photo of someone wearing a particular like you know clothing item or like sunglasses or earrings or anything or a watch or whatever, you imagine that मैं अगर ये product buy कर लूँगा तो मैं ये person में transform हो जाऊँगा.
Yeah.
मतलब if you see like a good looking person with a saree, you feel like अगर मैं ये साड़ी पहनूंगी तो मेरी figure भी ऐसी हो जाएगी. So they are not just selling you the product, they are selling you that image,
Right.
which
They are creating that
Yeah.
new identity for
which
you.
is not going to happen unless you work on yourself.
internally. Yeah.
Yeah.
It does happen to some extent.
Yeah, like
Uh,
it gives you some confidence maybe.
Yeah.
But-
It makes you. It creates that new image of yourself in your own head. Forget about anyone else. You yourself feel very confident from within. ये बात अलग है कि you need to also work on yourself from within.
Yeah.
But हाँ, वो बाहर का भी थोड़ा करने से थोड़ा
Yeah, of course, I'm not
self-esteem
saying
तो high
like
होता है.
I am तो like a very big shopaholic. So like I know, मतलब I'm not saying कि मैं ऐसे ऊपर हूँ ये सारी चीज़ों से.
नहीं,
I'm
but a lot of
very
those
deep
things-
in those things.
Yeah.
But like you, like I don't know, like I'm very aware. Even if I'm buying those things, I know कि it's not going to change my entire life. Like you know, as
Yeah,
like even
not
if it
entirely.
claims to or even if it appears like okay अगर मैंने ये एक चीज़ ले ली तो बस मैं मेरी पूरी जिंदगी बदल जाएगी. वो
पूरी तो नहीं
बदलने
बदलेगी,
वाली.
बट आई फील लिटिल बाय लिटिल काफी बदलती है. या
You mean कि you buy enough number of products and तुम्हारी पूरी जिंदगी बदल जाएगी.
अरे थोड़ा तो सेल्फ वर्थ अगेन दिस इज ऑल अ मार्केटिंग गिमिक ओनली. हमारी सेल्फ वर्थ इतनी कम होती है ना, एंड व्हेन
Exactly.
इवन द स्मॉलेस्ट ऑफ द थिंग प्रॉमिसेस अस कि थोड़ा तुम अपग्रेड हो जाओगे ये करने से,
Yeah.
जो एक्सटर्नली अपग्रेड दिखता भी है, तो
Yeah.
देन यू वुड वांट टू डू दैट.
But you know,
Which
I've
is
always
not
noticed
bad. I
that
don't
people
think
who are
it's bad.
actually very rich or like actually like you know, वो हम जो बोलते हैं ना like you know old money or whatever, they roam around wearing like random loose clothes
Yeah.
and pajamas and like slippers, but they still look very rich and
Because-
posh because their skin is amazing, their hair is amazing. वो ऐसे top knot बांध के घटिया घूमेंगे, but इतने खूबसूरत है वो बाल कि वो अच्छे दिखते हैं
Yeah.
without like that
True.
effortless look.
Yeah.
I want that.
You
How do I
have
get
that. You
that?
have that already, Anjali. Look at yourself. Look at her.
No.
You have that. But I also feel कि because they know they are rich, because they know they
Yeah.
have a lot of wealth.
So-
even when they wear rags, they will still radiate that aura from within.
So it's the mindset.
हाँ,
मतलब
it's the
तुम-
mindset.
Like you understand.
But
see, there are these people who are like not that great looking or not that rich or whatever, but they dress up एकदम ऐसा deck up होके.
हाँ.
You tell me, do you find that attractive?
No.
So then what's the point? कोई point ही नहीं है.
नहीं, पर ये तो मेरा नजरिया है ना. इफ आई फाइंड दैट अट्रैक्टिव और नो, वो पर्सन का सेल्फ एस्टीम हाई हो रहा है वो मेकअप लगाने से या कुछ भी. लाइक मी राइट नाउ, लेट्स बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, if I am covering some of the uneven skin on my face, uneven tone, it makes my self-esteem a little higher in my own eyes. Now this might not look attractive to someone
But
else.
this is not.
But then,
you are going on to some other like
No,
topic of like makeup and everything. It's not about consumerism. Like you
we
are
are
going to-
talking about
you are
consumerism.
buying one product and using it, ठीक है.
हाँ.
But are you going to buy 10 things? Are you going to like use 10 things?
No, I will not use 10 things. But अगर वो 10 चीज़ें यूज़ करने के बाद भी मेरा थोड़ा सेल्फ वर्थ बढ़ रहा है, then why not?
Okay, your money, you want
हाँ.
to spend it however.
Yeah.
Whatever
You
makes
know?
you feel better. But
Yeah.
that is still temporary.
Yeah, till the time you don't work,
हाँ.
on yourself, तो nothing else will
you
work.
might feel like you're looking good, but like
अंदर
are
से
you-
तुम एकदम
yeah.
घटिया किस्म के
Yeah,
इंसान
are you
हो.
getting like, are you feeling
नहीं, पर मैं तो अंदर से अच्छी ही हूँ ना. मुझे पता है.
No, I'm not saying that. I'm saying कि even if मतलब someone might appear amazing and all, but if they are not happy with themselves
But then
or with
that
the
is a
kind of
different-
work that they are doing or whatever, they are not getting that satisfaction. So no amount of material products can fill a void.
So
is what
that
I'm saying.
nothing can fill, but at least other person feel you have something.
Why are you fighting for this?
No, I'm just-
consumerism aspect so much.
I
you
am
can
not
agree with
fighting
me
for-
also sometimes.
No, it's not about that. I'm just thinking out loud कि चलो तुम अंदर से चाहे कैसे भी हो, अगर तुमने अच्छा बाहरी दिखावा अच्छा कर लिया, someone will like you at least first instinct. पता चला तुम बाहर भी से feel कर दे, बाहर से भी अच्छे नहीं दिख रहे,
God.
तो फिर तुम एक first instinct वाला भी
Yeah, first
it will-
impression.
yeah, first impression, it might not work for you. So अंदर से तो improve करना ही है, but for the people who are evil from within, this works best for them.
No, but what I am saying is, I am looking at consumerism from the point of view that, see, suppose I am a young girl who has not started earning or anything, but I see everyone on social media promoting something. I don't maybe have enough money to buy it. I probably don't even need it.
Yeah.
But just because I'm seeing everyone, like all successful people have this particular thing, तो मुझे लगता है कि ये तो मेरे पास होना ही चाहिए.
True.
So I want to tell that young girl कि buying that product is not going to change your entire life. It's not going to make you feel better permanently, maybe for like a few minutes. But after that, you are going to be back to where you are, and it's not going to like make you a better person or help you in a permanent way. And you probably don't even need it, just because the
Yeah.
people out there are telling you you need it. Like so many younger people are buying all these makeup and like stuff, or even clothing and
अपने
dressing.
पप्पा के पैसे से.
Yeah, in a way which makes them look like more
Wannabe.
older and stuff. Like they don't even need it. Their skin is so beautiful at that age that they probably don't even need to apply those things. Like,
Everyone needs someone like you.
I'm just using makeup as an example because that is something we see every single
Yeah,
day, and we know
yeah,
as girls ki
yeah.
we are very influenced. But I'm just that is just an example. But maybe something else, or maybe some luxury bag or something. Now someone who's much older, someone who's gone through a divorce or something, or whose husband is cheating on her, has just gifted her like a Cartier bracelet or a Chanel bag or whatever. And I am like a 18-year-old girl who's still in college, and I'm like, मुझे वो Chanel bag चाहिए.
बराबर.
You don't know what void that thing is filling in that other person's life. You don't even have that void in your life. So you
Correct.
don't need to fill it. बट यू जस्ट लुक एट दैट बाहरी अपीयरेंस कि वो इसकी लाइफ तो कितनी परफेक्ट है, इतने सारे डायमंड्स है और इतने सारे ब्रेसलेट्स है, बट नो, लाइक you have something that you don't even know is priceless and you have it, so you enjoy that. Don't let these other people tell you कि oh नहीं ये bracelet ही अच्छा है. I'm
That's
talking about
true.
a very particular person and a very particular bracelet here. No, I'm not.
Wow, this was very good. Yeah, I wish we were friends before. You would have, guided
Yeah, I would have
me.
saved so much of your money.
Thanks, Anjali. This
Yeah.
helps. This was very good.
Yeah,
Seriously.
I love like
Giving
I love
TED
giving
talk.
gyan to people who are like younger and all, because I like that's the
इसमें वही तो, there are two problems. Firstly, they are young. Secondly, they are broke. The chances of them falling for all of this is any which way is high. See,
वही.
once you are wiser and you have your own money, you become very mindful कि यहाँ पे खर्च करना है, यहाँ पे
Yeah.
नहीं करना है. But
True.
that comes only with experience.
Exactly.
तो तुम बच्चे हो, fall for these traps. अरे I feel at the end of the day,
yeah, like
make your-
everyone has to learn their own lessons
Yeah,
by their own
yeah.
like experiences and mistakes
but
and everything.
it is very important to have a very high self-worth
Yeah.
from within कि you
Exactly.
don't fall for these
Yeah.
traps. पर नहीं है ना वो.
Yeah.
तो-
So and consumerism is targeting this exact thing. Like
So
they know
maybe-
कहाँ पे target करना
हाँ
है
तो
proper.
maybe people should start targeting this stuff. Even if you don't buy this product, you are still flawless. So
अरे
that
पर
is
फिर-
how they should
फिर उनको
sell it
brand
on
deal
maybe.
कैसे मिलेगा?
हाँ.
पैसे कहाँ से आएंगे? पैसे तो इसमें सारे ना.
That is what consumerism
only reason
is
we
then.
are saying
it's not
all
about
this-
consumption. It's
Yeah.
about minting money while you make other people consume your products.
Like the entire industry works on this only, because right now we are able to say all these things because we have a full-time job which
Yeah.
does not involve advertising. So we can
True.
have like honest opinions and like say these
hmm,
things. But अभी आगे जाके अगर you want to become a full-time influencer, then you can't say such things.
I would still say things, but in a more honest way. Like I would still want to sell my product, but then मैं customer को consider करूँगी कि right now you don't have these issues which my product solves, so maybe you don't buy this. But if you know someone else who has these issues, maybe ask them to buy my product because this is a good product. I would sell it in this way कि बेकार में हाँ. And I really appreciate these kind of people कि
Yeah.
जो upfrontly मुझे बोल देते हैं कि तुझे अभी ये लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Maybe after a couple of years or maybe
For some other occasion or
Yeah,
something,
yeah,
not
yeah.
like right now.
True. And I trust their judgment more
Yeah.
vis-a-vis someone who is like. So I went to my salon once, beauty parlor. So I went for pedicure, and the same morning I had done a complete face treatment, okay, because my skin is sensitive. So I was going through this treatment, and it was not any वो bleach नहीं था. It was a proper 2-hour treatment, okay. And उसके बाद my skin was actually looking brighter, radiant, okay. And in the evening, that lady beauty parlor वाली, just because she wanted to sell her bleach वाला stuff to me, she's like, आपको सिर्फ पेडिक्योर ही करना है, आपके फेस पे भी थोड़े दाग दिख रहे हैं, थोड़ा टैन वैन हो गया क्या, कहीं बाहर जाके आए थे क्या. एंड आई एम लाइक व्हाट द फक, आई ऑलरेडी हैव इनसिक्योरिटीज, ये सब मत बोलो. एंड बिकॉज आई नो कि सुबह ही मैंने कुछ किया है, वॉट एवर दिस लेडी इज सेइंग इट्स बुलशिट, बिकॉज इतना भी बुरा नहीं दिख रहा मेरा चेहरा जितना वो बोल रही है. Had it been some other day, I would have easily fallen for that trap. But and now that I know कि वो सच नहीं है, because I know कि मैं खर्चा ऑलरेडी करके आई हूँ. You're talking shit, okay? तो I would not, I didn't like that lady. Now
Yeah.
she has a negative impression in my head already कि अगली बार मैं वो सैलून में जाओ भी ना. एक तो यार making me feel bad एंड दूसरी, तुम खुद का बेचने के लिए कुछ भी हद तक गिर सकते हो. मैं बाहर भी नहीं गई थी, मैं टैन भी नहीं हुई थी, मैं ऑलरेडी ग्लो कर रही हूँ, एंड जस्ट बिकॉज यू वांट टू सेल समथिंग, मैं पेडिक्योर भी नहीं कराऊँ उसके पास. यू डोंट डिजर्व अ सिंगल पेनी फ्रॉम मी. या आई फेल्ट वेरी बैड. मतलब आई डिडंट फील एज बैड. Hadn't been some other day, it would have triggered my insecurity.
Yeah.
And self-worth, they are playing with my, self-worth.
Yeah.
I don't like those
So
kind of
what
people.
I am saying is, you are at a good place because you had already done a face treatment and then you
Yeah.
went, and so it didn't affect you that much.
Yeah.
But what I am saying is, ki even if you hadn't done anything, and even if you have gone somewhere and your face is tan, no one has the right to talk to you like that.
I agree.
Why do we normalize these things कि कोई भी कहीं से भी उठ के आके बोल देते हैं तेरी स्किन तो कितनी घटिया है. Dude, I'm a
Yeah.
psychiatrist. If I go around telling people कि oh you're depressed, yuck, your mental health is so bad, yuck, and I'll sell my medicines, is it okay?
No.
No ना.
It's
If you're a
very
CA
wrong.
and you go around telling people कि oh तुम्हारे financial skills तो इतने घटिया है, you need to hire me, do we do that? We don't do that because it's not okay.
Yeah, it's not okay. It's not okay.
So I feel like I want to have the confidence, so I have to stop going to salons altogether. I
Really?
cut my own hair.
Really?
I do my own like eyebrows and like I shave everything and everything. So I don't go to salons because
Wow.
I am so traumatized. But like I want to go and tell these ladies कि you can't talk to me like this first.
Yeah.
And secondly, मेरी skin कैसी भी है, मेरी skin है, मैं देखूंगी, तुम मुझे
ज्ञान
मत दो. And like I remember when I was very young and I had gone for waxing, and like this lady was doing my underarms, and she's like, आप इतना डर क्यों रहे हो, आपके underarms sweat क्यों कर रहे? Sweating is not under my control. If you are making me feel so uncomfortable, then my
See, I'm
underarms
sweating right
will
now.
sweat.
Yeah.
And first of all, they apply that wax as if वो मस्त ऐसे बटर लगा रहे हो और फिर से खचक करके pull करते. These ladies are so sadistic, and that wax is so hot. So obviously my underarms will sweat na. So all these things give me so much
Even
trauma.
I do
Yeah.
wax on my own. I've
Exactly.
never, like, not once have I done it outside. Not once. Waxing, no. I only do it.
Exactly. So
Not because they are sadistic, but yeah, I'm more comfortable that.
yeah, the thing is we are capable like of doing our own things, and if we are going to someone else to get it done, that doesn't give them the authority to give us a lecture about everything.
True.
Like every
Correct.
time I used to go for a haircut or something also, every time they would be like, oh आपके बाल तो झाड़ू जैसे है, कौन सा
Seriously?
कंडीशनर यूज करते हो, कंडीशनर यूज भी
Seriously?
करते हो कि नहीं.
Seriously?
Yeah, and I was much like I was younger and I used to fall for it, and then they would chipka 4
This is
products
so mean,
and you buy
yaar.
those 4 products because you are like हाँ मेरे बाल तो झाड़ू जैसे है.
Oh, I feel very sorry for you.
Yeah, so that's why I'm telling you ki like I'm not trying to give gyan to younger girls. I'm just saying that if I knew the things I know now, if I knew those things when I was younger, I would not fall for all
Yeah.
these things. And ठीक है चल पैसे गए वो तो एक चीज है, but the way it impacts your
Mental
self
health,
confidence
yeah,
and your
yeah.
self image and everything, that no amount of money can fix that. पैसे तो वापस आ जाएंगे
True.
और आ गए हैं, पर वो जो अपने को लगता है like even till date my biggest insecurity is like maybe my hair or maybe like I don't want to say my other insecurities but like it's those
Okay.
things
Yeah.
which like every time like when I was younger
Your
people
hair is
used-
great,
yeah
bro.
now it's great because I've put a lot of money into it. But
Yeah.
literally I'll tell you my hair care routine. I take 500 rupees ke notes, I crush them into a powder, I put a little water in it and then I massage it into my scalp.
What an amazing routine. If only I could afford it.
ठीक है.
This is really good. Even my eyes are sweating.
So I'll tell you one funny thing. I was like adding things to my Myntra cart. Like adding things to Myntra is my favorite hobby. Like I'm always adding things to the cart or like wish listing.
Okay.
And today I woke up and I saw that few of those things उसमें लिखा था only 1 left या only 2 left. And I was like, let me order it right now, नहीं तो ये चला जाएगा. So does this happen with you?
Yeah. So I wanted to enroll for this course, and I got to know about this via Instagram only, okay. And then that lady is selling this course and I trust her, so that is why I wanted to buy. And I wanted to enroll, तो उसके पेज पे जाते ही वहाँ पे सीट्स दिख रही, only 5 seats left. And then एक मिनट बाद only 4 seats left. Like, oh, I have to buy right now. I seriously got so panicked, and it was about some meditation course and it made me panic to buy the course. तो मैंने सोचा फिर कि it shouldn't work this way, no. मैंने बोला नहीं, forget it, गया तो गया. मैंने नहीं लिया, ओके, वहाँ पे मतलब उस टाइम पे. Then I was more calmer later, and then I thought let me see if sold out हुआ कि नहीं, okay. Then मैं गई वापस से, खोला वो नहीं, and again only 5 seats left, only 4 seats left. That is when I realized कि this is again some marketing strategy. ये तो खेल रहे मेरे जज्बातों के साथ. बहुत गलत बात है. But then I ended up buying because I any which ways wanted to buy. But that is when I realized कि अगर ऐसे कुछ हो तो मेरे को पैनिक करने की जरूरत नहीं है. मेरे नसीब में होगा तो मुझे मिल जाएगा.
और अगर तुम उसके नसीब में होगी तो
हाँ तो उसको भी मिल जाएगा. पैनिक मत कर. Yeah.
So this is something that they do. This is how they play with our minds, that they create that ऐसा situation कि ये तो खत्म हो जाएगा, you know, limited edition, limited products, where you feel like if I don't buy this right now,
खत्म, मेरा self worth गया dustbin में. Yeah, which is very wrong. They shouldn't do that, especially someone who's selling a meditation course. Please remove that.
So this was us talking about consumerism and our take on it, and I hope you found it fun, interesting, informative, educative, everything. And I hope this video changes your life forever. Bye!
Bye.